Students, today we are going to discuss about borax in unit P block in English. It is in the compound of boron. We studied in previous class, boron and aluminium are most active elements in third element. So first we discussed about the natural occurrence of boron. Boron cannot found in free state in atmosphere, but it is found as a salt of boric acid. So we say that the compounds are produced as the salt of boric acid. Here first we discussed about which type of ores or minerals are present in nature in which boron is present. Then we discussed about the formation methods and their chemical reaction of boron, their chemical physical properties, and then we discussed about their uses. Students, boron is found in following forms. First one is known as borax. Also it is known as Suhaga in industrial knowledge. Its molecular formula is Na2B4O7 and 10H2. Decahydrate is available. Its chemical name is sodium tetraborate decahydrate. Now second one is boric acid. Its formula is H3BO2. And third one is colemanite. Its formula is Ca2B6O11 and 5H2. Fourth one is kernite, Na2B4O7 and 4H2. Then fifth one is borocalcite. It is in the calcium ore of boron. So CaB4O7 and 4H2. Now sixth one, mohite. It is the main ore of borax formation compounds, and it is in the special mineral of boron. Its formula is Na2B4O7. These are the most important forms in which boron is present. Now we discussed about how can we extract boron from these given sites. So we goes on the preparation method of boron, then we discussed about their chemical reaction. So formation of boron. Formation methods of boron. Students, here we take first method is most important for the extraction of boron in lab. So we named it laboratory method. Lab preparation method of boron. In lab, we used boric anhydride or boron trioxide. Boron trioxide. Its formula is B2O3, and second reactant is magnesium Mg. Two most essential reactants are used for the preparation of boron in lab. When boron trioxide B2O3 is heated with magnesium Mg, then it makes magnesium oxide MgO and extracted boron melt. For balancing, we used 3 because oxygen atoms are 3 here. For magnesium 3 and boron atoms are 2. So we used 3. This reaction is the formation or preparation method of boron in lab. Now we use another method for the preparation of boron. This method is known as industrial preparation. Industrial preparation method of boron. In industry, we use boron triiodide. Its formula is Bi3. By the mechanism of thermal reduction. Thermal reduction. It extracted boron and released iodine. So B plus I2. For balancing, we used 2 and 3 bases here. It is in the industrial preparation method of boron. After preparation methods, we discussed about the physical properties of boron. So it is shown there 2 states. One is known as amorphous form and other is known as the crystalline form. So some properties are belong here from amorphous side and other is in crystalline side. Its amorphous physical state is dark brown in color. Its physical form is powder and its crystalline form is black in color. It is chemically inert and very hard in their physical state. It does not oxidize on heating in air. Now we discussed about the chemical properties of borons and take their chemical reactions. Chemical properties of boron. First properties, reaction with air or oxygen. Boron reacts with oxygen to form boron trioxide. Also it is known as boron या boric anhydride. So its chemical reaction is B plus O2 gives B2O3. For balancing 2, 4 and 3. The product is known as boron trioxide. Also it is known as boric anhydride. Now second properties, reaction with nitrogen. Its form is known as dinitrogen. Students, boron is heated with dinitrogen, then it makes boron nitride. its chemical reaction is given as. Boron formula is B and dinitrogen is N2. It reacts with one another to make boron nitride. Its formula is Bn. For balancing we use 2 and 2. How can we make this formula Bn? So we know that nitrogen belongs 5th A group. Its ion shown 3 unit negative charge. And boron belongs 3rd A. Its ion shown 3 unit positive charge. So they are same in their valencies, 3 and 3. Both elements are trivalent. So they make boron nitride. Next reaction. Reaction with sulfuric acid, H2SO4. It is most important reaction because it is in the formation method of orthoboric acid. When boron is heated with sulfuric acid, H2SO4, then it makes H3BO2 and release sulfur dioxide gas, SO2. It is the main product of this reaction and it is known as orthoboric acid. So we say that the boron react with acids to form their salt. But here boron is oxidized with H2SO4 to form their oxides product named orthoboric acid. Now next chemical reaction is here reaction with nitric acid. The formula of nitric acid is HNO3. It is also oxidized by boron to form same product like as a reaction with sulfuric acid. It makes orthoboric acid. Reaction is given as boron react with nitric acid HNO3 to form orthoboric acid H3BO3 and break down nitrogen dioxide in gaseous form NO2. For balancing we use 3 and 3. So both reactions are belong to the category of oxidation by acids and also in this reaction product make in their acidic form. Students, in another class we take chemical properties, explain their concept and give also their chemical reaction.